Well, today is July the 20-something.
First?
The 21st, if I'm not mistaken. 20th? I don't know. Yeah, 20th, because I get back tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 21st. And we are in Indiana. Yeah, that's the state, by the way. Indiana State. And Igor and his best friend Clyde invited me to come to the dunes of who?
Indiana Dunes State Park.
There you go. There you go. And this is the first trail that we have actually taken. It's number 9, chosen by Clyde as his favorite trail to go up the mountain.
Just follow the dog all along.
Yes, that would be a bad idea because he's gonna make us work for ourselves. But yeah, it's beautiful thus far. Nature, very calm. Especially now with COVID-19, we have less pollution. We can see things differently now, you know? We can hear birds.
Just birds?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, so that's the introduction. Throughout this whole process, we are going to come up and show you guys different sections of the forest, the beach, the sand, the dunes, yeah.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. Yes, from different perspectives. So, peace, Igor. Let's get this shit going, man.
All right.
GoPro, stop recording.